have a loose prop. Might not be able to get back up from that one. And Manic Tires just flip-flopping around in the dirt like a pig. Just now, sweeping right-hand turn into the corkscrew. Brig just flip-flopping around like a turtle on its shell. Titus is down. We can see the crowd there in the grandstand through his camera vision. Firefly, though, they're on their second lap. They're about to make their way through the high section, top section of the course, up over our crowd. Give them a wave as they fly past. Cheers now, that's lap 4. He's sitting in 16th position. Oh, Firefly, a reboot and disconnection. They might be still good to go. They're back up. Chislo putting in some good laps. Oh, and that Air Force flag all week has been dangerous for all pilots.
60 seconds remaining.
Chislo, she's up over the crowd now. Firefly about to make their way up over the crowd. She's is currently in 16th, but he's going to want to keep up the pace if he wants to make sure he entrenches himself in the top 16.
30 seconds
Tomorrow
remaining.
at the Australian International Airshow at Avalon, the top 16 double elimination finals will take place. Today is all qualifying, pilots trying to get themselves into that top 16 so they can feature in the racing at the end of the show.
10 seconds remaining.
Firefly though, that's 3 laps for them. They're fastest
your
of the
lap
day
and then land.
with a 32.75, and that's lights out for them. Cheers with his fastest on laps number 7 at 19.99.
Cheers finished 3 laps in
That's his first sub
77.21.
20 seconds.